Oh no, not a paradox!
Yes, we are the paradox. We are going to take over the world.
But how are you gonna do that? You're just like the little bridge thingies. You go in the water.
We are more powerful than you could ever imagine. Even your schizoids will not be enough to stop us. We are going to kill everyone, starting with you. Ha 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 ha, he is dead, and now to go take over the world.
No, he's gone again. It's almost as if traveling back in time to prevent the tragedies that I caused only makes them even worse. They're inevitable. The only thing that can change is the means of their destruction. Well, time to go back in time again, I guess.